Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Friday, April 29. The time is around midnight GMT, and today we are looking at the chart of the FTSE. This is UK index, 30 minutes chart here. We have ended with 1 at 76.72. Intermediate degree right here, and that means we are now within this width 2 in the blue degree here, intermediate degree. We are now within width 2, and within the width 2 we are doing a double correction, WXY, right? So this W here is subdivided into a zigzag ABC, right? A B C, right? Finishing that ABC ended with W, and now looking for a flat. It's a flat structure ABC, 335, right? A flat, and we are looking for the flat to complete soon, and the index to turn lower, right? So the idea here is very simple. As long as we stay below 76.72, we are looking for the downside to finish the Y in the red degree. So we got WX, and then looking for another Y. So the Y should be another ABC, right? So something like that, A, B, C, right? Something like this, and then that will end the Y after we finish the C, and the Y also will end the 2 in the intermediate degree here. Okay, so let's zoom out to get some ideas. Now, okay, couple of things here. Of course, this is important to hold. If 76.72 doesn't hold, then of course this count is incorrect, right? Now, another option, several other options, is going to be, instead of making that marginal high, we just go down. And if that's the case, then you can simply change this into a WXY, right? You can simply change this into WXY like this, and if that's the case, then we could be finished, right? We could be finished like this, ABC, right? There are many different ways you can try to change it, but the whole idea is the same. As long as we stay below 76.72, we are looking for more downside. Whether or not we make marginal high, it doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter. That's the key level. The key level is 76.72 for more downside. That's the main message. Not necessarily it has to make another marginal high first and then going down, right? So the main message is more downside as long as this level is holding. Now let's zoom out a little bit and take a look at the 4-hour time frame. All right, so here, this one here in the intermediate degree is this one, right? And then this ABC is here, A, B, C, and that's EW, right? All right, so just by placing it in the 4-hour, we can try to figure out what is happening here, right? So we are looking for just a marginal high to finish the X, and then it should go down. It should be in another ABC like this, right? Before going up. A, B, C, Y. The ABC ended the Y, and the Y ended the 2, right? All right, so since we calling this a 1, then you want to ask, so what is the cycle that ended with a 1 here? Now, if you just look at the 4-hour, you can kind of figure it out, right? So if this is a 1, then that means you can see what looks impulsive all the way up here. Well, this entire move looks impulsive. So we're talking about the rally from March 7. March 7, right? The rally here ended with 1, and now we are in the with 2. So what will be the target for wave 2? Well, technically, if you want to use a extension, then you need to wait until the X is done. After the X here is done, then you can measure using the Fibonacci extension WX, and then get a 100%, 161.8% target on the downside. Or you can also use retracement. If you use retracement, then you can just pick an area you want. So maybe between 50% and 76.4%, that will be the area. I think one of the mistakes that a lot of the beginner traders are trying to figure out is they believe one can get the exact level, right? Like real traders that have been doing it many years understand it's all about areas. It's never about one specific level, right? And therefore, yeah, this is the potential area. If we can go down, then between 50%, 76.4 is possibly when the wave 2 could be ending. But that's like down the road, right? The more important thing in the shorter cycle simply is we are looking for more downside while it stays below 76, 72. All right. So that's it for today. And if you do want to get regular updates on indices, stock, ETF, Forex, commodities, we do have 14 days trial. We are also running a promotion right now, 2-for-1 promotion. It's going to be expiring soon. I will provide all the links on the trial and the promotion in the description of the video if you are interested. Okay, so I'll see you all again next week. Have a nice day, everyone.